My dear friends, the imagery in today's gospel puts in graphic form a simple teaching that it is better to lose a limb or part of a body, however important its function is, than life itself in order to save the whole. The words of Jesus are a vivid Eastern way of saying that there is a higher goal in life worthy of any sacrifice to attain it. Amen.